So we saw the addition of HCl to carbon oxygen double bond. The second reaction is the addition of alcohols to carbon oxygen double bond. Third reaction is addition of thiols to carbon oxygen double bond, where we get the formation of thioacetal and thioketone. Now next part is we have to study the addition of water to carbon oxygen double bond. See the carbon oxygen double bonded compound. Suppose I have taken here general example of this ketone. When this ketone is under addition of water, there is formation of diol compound, but on the same carbon, so we get the formation of JM diol. So when water is added into the carbonyl compound, there is formation of JM diol. This JM diol is not very much stable, and its existence of this JM diol can be predicted by the spectroscopic method. Existence can be predicted by spectroscopic method, and it can be also be predicted by labeling experiment. So when water is added into the carbonyl compound, we get the formation of JM diol. The structure of JM diol is not much stable, so that we can isolate the JM diol. The isolation is not possible, but its existence can be determined by using spectroscopic methods and labeling experiment. So how labeling experiment? See here, C R C, and it is a reversible reaction too. So RC double bond OR plus water molecule, but here we have labeled this oxygen. Okay, so we have to find out whether it is involved in this reaction or not. So in order to find that, we labeled this O18. So if labeled O18 is there, then we observe that there is a formation of intermediate compound with oxygen, labeled oxygen in it. This is JM diol with labeled oxygen in it. So labeled oxygen, if decomposition of this occurs, then see here, removal of this one. So decomposition of this again leads to the formation of the carbonyl compound with labeled oxygen incorporated into the carbonyl compound. So this labeling experiment, this oxygen incorporated into this. So this possible mechanism is true. So this is the evidence for the presence of JM diol in the mixture or in the solution. So this is addition of water molecule. But this addition of water molecule is possible by two ways. Okay, so these are two types of reactions of addition of water or formation of JM diol. The two types of reactions are, first is the acid catalyzed formation of JM diol, acid catalyzed, and second base catalyzed. So let's see first acid catalyzed addition of water. Acid catalyzed addition of water. Acid catalyzed addition of water. So in acid catalyzed addition of water, see here the carbonyl compound, general carbonyl compound we have taken here. Here water molecule reacting with it, but acid catalyzed. So we have used acid here. So here when this reaction occurs, the abstraction of H plus is there. So abstraction of H plus is there. So there is formation of transition state here. See this R, C, R dash. Here oxygen, one bond is goes breaking, and there is formation of bond with this hydrogen. This bond is also undergoes breaking. So we have to show this with dotted lines. So undergoes breaking, and here the H O H So this oxygen attacks on this carbon. So this is transition state, and after this transition state we get the final product R dash C, addition of this OH, and this oxygen gets positive charge, and here formation of OH, and in the next step this neutralization of this charge, and we get JM diol RC R dash OH OH. So formation of JM diol by using acid as a catalyst. We use here acid as a catalyst. So acid catalyzed JM diol formation here. So let's see second base catalyzed JM diol formation. See acid catalyst. In acid catalyst we have used this acid as a catalyst. So this acid catalyst, water molecules added to this carbonyl carbon, and the H plus is involved here in this case. That's why it is acid catalyzed. We get transition state, and breaking of this transition state gives rise to the structure of product is the JM diol. Let's see the base catalyzed addition of water. Let's see the base catalyzed addition of water. In the base catalyzed addition of water, see base is involved here. We have taken this ketonic compound where water is reacting with it, and here we have used base. So this base interacts with this hydrogen of water, so that this bond becomes nucleophilic, which attacks on this. We get the oxygen with negative charge here, so addition of water here, and we get the transition state where RC R dash, here bond between carbon and oxygen, one bond is there, and another bond is undergoes breaking. So we have to show it by the dotted line. Another bond between oxygen and carbon is going to form, so OH, and this bond is undergoes breaking, so another bond between base and hydrogen is there. So we have to show this into this bracket. So this is transition state, and breaking of this transition state leads to the formation of product R C R dash C, carbon oxygen bond, complete breaking of carbon oxygen bond, C O minus, and here OH. So this, when treatment with water, gives R C R dash OH and OH. So JM diol formation in basic medium. So this is base catalyzed reaction. So these are there are two types of reactions. In two medium, the formation of JM diol is possible. First acidic medium and basic medium. Here is the basic medium. Base is present here.